Good afternoon, student. Yesterday we have discussed alcohol, phenols and ethers. In this chapter, we have seen how to give the name to the alcohols, phenols and ethers there. How to give the names to the alcohol that we have discussed. That is the nomenclature of alcohol there. There are total 3 systems by which the names to the alcohols are given. First system is the common system. In the common system, monohydric alcohols are called as the alkyl alcohols. Their names are derived by adding the word alcohol to the name of the alkyl group present in the molecule. If we see on the PPT, for example, CH3CH2OH, in that the blue colored that is ethyl group and red color that is the alcoholic group or hydroxyl group. So name of this compound is that is ethyl alcohol. If we take the isopropyl group, and in that isopropyl secondary carbon, if the OH group is attached, if we see the second example, isopropyl plus alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. Next, tertiary butyl alcohol. If the OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom, then the name becomes tertiary butyl alcohol. So this is the first system by which we can give the names to the alcohols there. Second system, that is called as the carbinol system. By using this system, in the common system, polyhydric alcohols like dihydric alcohol, that is also called as the vicinal alcohols, are named by adding the word glycol. These dihydric alcohols are named by adding the word that is the glycol there to the name of the alkene from which they are derived there. For example, if we take the CH2, two OH groups are attached. CH2 group is that is the ethylene and OH group is that is the glycol, and that's why the name becomes ethylene glycol there. If we see the second example, CH3CHOH CH2OH. Here also the two OH groups are attached there. So the name becomes propylene glycol there. In the common system, there is no general rule for naming the trihydric alcohols there. They are commonly called as the glycerols. CS, for example, if we take the example of propylene glycerol, there are 3 OH groups are present. CH2OH, CHOH and CH2OH there. Cyclic alcohols are named by adding the prefix cyclo to the common name of the alcohol. The position of the substituent, if they are indicated by the Greek alpha letters, alpha, beta and gamma, dash, dash, etc. there. For example, if we get the cyclic ring to which the OH group is attached, if we see into this structure there is a 6 carbon atom ring, that why it is the cyclohexyl. OH group is attached, that's why the name is cyclohexyl alcohol there. Next example, beta methyl alcohol there. Now the second system, that is the carbinol system there. In this system, methyl alcohol is called as the carbinol, while other alcohols are named as the alkyl or aryl derivative of carbinol there. For example, CH3OH, the common name of this compound is that is the methyl alcohol, but we can give the name that is the carbinol there. Second example, if CH3CH2OH there, the common name is ethyl alcohol, but if we want to give the name by using the carbinol system, here CHOH OH, the CH2OH, that is the methyl group. That methyl group is attached to the CH3 group. That's why the names become methyl alcohol there. To the methyl group, there is a two methyl groups if attached, then the name becomes dimethyl carbinol there. So this is the second system. After that, the third system is that is the IUPAC system there. So if we want to give the names to the alcohols by using the IUPAC system, there are some rules there. In this system, alcohols are called as the alkanols there. That means the name of the alcohol is derived by replacing the final E from the name of the corresponding alkane by the suffix OL there. That means here alkane E. They remove the word E and add the word OL. The name becomes alkanol there. The longest carbon chain containing the OH group is selected as the present chain and the number in such a way that the carbon atom carrying the OH group gets the smallest number there. The position of the substituents are indicated by the suitable numbers there. For example, see the first example, CH3CH2OH there. Here the parent alkane is that is the ethane. Remove the word E and add the word that is the OL, and so the name becomes ethanol. If we take the second example, CH3CH2CH2OH there. If we started the number from OH group, there is a total 3 carbon atoms. So the parent alkane is propane. Remove the word E and add the word OL there. Here the problem is arise while naming there, because the position of OH group is very important there. Where the OH group is attached, that is important there. Here at the carbon number 1, this OH group is attached, and that's why its name becomes propane 1-ol. We can speak it as 1-propanol. Take the third example, CH3CHOH CH3 there. This is the similar example. Here only the change is that the OH group is present at the carbon number 2, and that's why the name becomes 2-propanol. So we are writing its propane-2-ol there. Next example, if we take the example that is the CH3CH2OH there, if we give the number at carbon number 1, there is a OH group is present. At the carbon number 2, there is a CH3 group is present. And that's why if substituents are present there, then in such case, write the name of the substituent, its number first, write its name, and then our proper method, take the parent alkane, remove the word E and add the word that is the OL. So here at carbon number 2, the methyl group is present. That's why the name become 2-methyl. Total 3 carbon atom. So parent alkane is propane. At the carbon number 1, there is a OH group is present. So remove the word E, add the number 1 and add the word OL there. So the name becomes 2-methyl 1-propanol. Next example, CH3COH CH3CH3 there. Here at the carbon number 2, OH group is present. If we start the number from left, right or bottom, it makes no difference there, because at carbon number 2, OH group is fixed there. Here, just like the previous example, at carbon number 2, the methyl group is present there. So write down the number, hash, name, after that parent alkane and number there. So name becomes 2-methyl propane 2-ol there. Next example, CH3, CH3OH. So at carbon number 2, the 2 substituent, 2 methyl groups are present. So 2 methyl, instead of that we are writing the word di. So 2,2-dimethyl propane 1-ol there. So that is the IUPAC name of this compound here. Next, if we take the CH3, CHOH CH3, at the carbon number 2, there is a 2 methyl groups are present. So therefore name becomes 3,3-dimethyl. Total carbon atom 4, so parent alkane is butane. At carbon number 2, OH, so the IUPAC name becomes 3,3-dimethyl butanol. Now, if we want to give the names to the cyclic alcohols there, so cyclic alcohols are named by adding the prefix cyclo to the name of alcohol there. The position of the substituent, if any, are indicated by the Arabic numericals, with the carbon atom carrying the OH group being numbered as 1 there. For example, if we take the ring of 6 carbon atom containing the OH group, so name becomes cyclohexane. Remove the word E, add the word all, so name becomes cyclohexanol there. Take the second example. Here, this is the ring of 5 carbon atom. So parent alkane is, that is the pentane. Remove the word E, add the word, so pentanol. But at carbon number 2, there is a methyl group is present. That's why write the number and name, that is the 2-methyl cyclopentanol there. If we take the third example, which contains the ring of 6 carbon atom, we already mentioned that where the OH group is present, you have to consider that carbon first. So at carbon number 1, there is a OH group. At carbon number 2, there is a CH3 group. And also at carbon number 5, there is a chlorine group there. So alphabetically, the word which is come first. So C come first, that's why we have given number, that is the 5-chloro-2-methyl cyclohexanol there. Now, second system, in which in this system the dihedric alcohols are named. That means we have learned how to give the names in which only the one OH group is present there. If the 2 OH groups are present, then such alcohols that we called it as the dihedric alcohols, or it is also called as the diols. So how to give the names to the diols there? While giving the names by using the IUPAC